Hello, outdoor cooking enthusiasts! Today we embark on a culinary journey to compare two popular choices for camping cookware: aluminum versus stainless steel. Whether you're a seasoned camp chef or a beginner camper eager to whip up a delicious meal in the wilderness, the type of cookware you choose can significantly impact your camping cooking experience. Join us as we explore the features, durability, heat distribution, and more to help you decide which cookware best suits your camping needs. So let's fire up the stoves and get cooking. Material and construction. Let's begin with the material and construction of both aluminum and stainless steel camping cookware. Aluminum is known for its lightweight nature, making it a favorite among backpackers and hikers who prioritize reducing pack weight. It is also an excellent heat conductor, which means quicker cooking times. On the other hand, stainless steel cookware is renowned for its durability and strength. It can withstand rough handling and is less likely to dent or deform over time. While it may be slightly heavier than aluminum, its longevity makes it a reliable choice for camping adventures. Heat distribution. Efficient heat distribution is essential for even cooking while camping. Aluminum cookware excels in this department due to its excellent heat conductivity. It heats up quickly and evenly, reducing hot spots and ensuring consistent cooking results. Stainless steel, while a little slower to heat up, retains heat well and distributes it evenly once the cookware reaches its optimal temperature. This can be advantageous for simmering or slow cooking dish. Weight and portability. When it comes to weight and portability, aluminum cookware takes the lead. Its lightweight nature makes it easy to carry during long hikes, and backpackers often appreciate the reduced burden on their backs. Stainless steel cookware, while slightly heavier, is still manageable for car camping or shorter hiking trips. It is a preferred choice for campers who value durability over weight savings. Durability and longevity. Durability is a critical factor when choosing camping cookware that can withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures. Stainless steel cookware excels in this category as it is more resistant to dents, scratches, and deformation. While aluminum cookware is lighter, it is more prone to denting and scratching over time, especially with rough handling. However, high-quality hard anodized aluminum cookware can provide better durability. Corrosion resistance. When it comes to corrosion resistance, stainless steel is the clear winner. It does not rust or corrode even with prolonged exposure to moisture and humidity. This makes it an excellent choice for coastal camping or wet conditions. On the other hand, untreated aluminum cookware can react with acidic or salty foods, leading to discoloration or imparting a metallic taste. To counter this, many aluminum cookware sets are now coated or anodized to enhance corrosion resistance. Cooking performance. The cooking performance of both aluminum and stainless steel cookware is generally excellent. Aluminum cookware heats up rapidly, ideal for quick meals and boiling water. It's also favored for dishes that require precise temperature control. Stainless steel cookware with its excellent heat retention is well suited for dishes that require extended cooking times or even heat distribution. It is often preferred for slow cooking, simmering, and sautéing. As we wrap up our comparison of aluminum camping cookware versus stainless steel camping cookware, both options have their unique advantages. If you prioritize lightweight and quick heat distribution, aluminum cookware might be your go-to choice. On the other hand, if you value durability, longevity, and excellent heat retention, stainless steel cookware could be your ideal camping companion. Whichever cookware you choose, remember that the joy of outdoor cooking lies in experimenting with delicious recipes and savoring meals in the heart of nature. Happy cooking, and until next time, bon appetit!